This just about over 20 minutes, 20 hours, and it's been. This is second day, so this is the repair job. No more leak, and it's all solid, very hard, and yeah. So this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straw, metal straw, or ring prices, and then small piece of metal, and this metal used for ducking houses and stuff. Okay, and it's all solid. The car is running. I can see no more leak, nothing. Okay, and yeah, this repair job cost me about $13, and it took me about half an hour, me and my brother. It's pretty good. I'm very happy. I took it for a test drive. No more leak. Very, very solid. Very happy with it. Very nice. Well done.